So, you've put fresh batteries in your Schlage lock, but it's still not working? This usually boils down to a few key reasons: incorrect battery installation, the need for a reset or calibration, or less commonly, a deeper hardware issue. We'll guide you through troubleshooting each of these, focusing on practical fixes. First, double check that the batteries are installed correctly. Start by removing the interior cover of the lock, which is usually done with a key or screwdriver provided with the lock. Next, pop out the batteries and ensure they're inserted with the correct polarity, matching the positive and negative symbols in the battery compartment. Incorrect orientation can prevent the lock from functioning. Use high-quality batteries such as Energizer or Duracell to avoid issues like corrosion on the contacts. Low-quality batteries can lead to weak voltage output, which is a common cause of lock malfunctions. Remember, low voltage from weak or incorrectly installed batteries is often the culprit behind Schlage lock issues. Proper installation ensures reliable performance. A reset clears temporary glitches that can occur after battery changes. For most Schlage models, locate the Schlage button near the keypad and hold it for 5 to 7 seconds until you hear a beep. For touchscreen models, enter the reset code through the app or keypad. Check your manual for the default code, which is often 123456. This simple step often resolves lock issues after installing new batteries. Calibration aligns the lock's motor after a battery change, preventing a stuck bolt. Try manually extending and retracting the bolt multiple times. If your lock has app support, like the Encode or Sense models, use the Schlage app's Calibrate lock feature for a guided motor test. Calibration is crucial if the lock doesn't respond after a reset. Lithium batteries offer significant advantages over alkaline for Schlage locks. Newer models, like the Encode Plus, perform optimally with lithium AA batteries. These batteries last 2 to 3 times longer than alkaline, providing extended reliability. They also perform better in cold climates, reducing the risk of unexpected lock failures. If your lock supports lithium batteries, switching is a worthwhile upgrade. Schlage's Home app provides essential tools for maintaining your smart lock. It includes real-time battery health checks that monitor voltage levels and alert you before batteries fail. The app also offers guided reset tutorials that walk you through step-by-step procedures for clearing glitches. Additionally, ensure your lock's firmware is current through over-the-air updates. These updates address bugs that cause false low battery alerts or motor misalignment issues, which are common after battery changes. Regular firmware updates are crucial as they can prevent future battery-related problems by improving overall lock performance and reliability. To minimize future battery issues with your Schlage smart lock, start by cleaning the battery contacts regularly using a cotton swab dipped in vinegar solution to remove corrosion buildup that can block electrical connections. This simple maintenance prevents power interruptions and extends battery life. Consider switching to rechargeable lithium batteries if your Schlage model supports them. These eco-friendly options last up to 16 months or more compared to traditional alkaline batteries and can be reused many times, reducing waste and costs over time. Keep an eye on emerging trends like AI-driven battery diagnostics, which can predict when batteries need replacement based on usage patterns, and smart grid integration that allows locks to draw power from home energy systems for even more reliability in the future. By following these preventative measures, you can significantly extend your smart lock's lifespan and reduce the frequency of battery-related issues.